Well, thanks for every viewers and most of the students. So, lot of previous lectures are solved in maximizations and critical problems. I think these maths are so important and essential. Its maths is minimization with minimize z equal to 2y minus x equal minus x plus 2y and subject to constraint 3y minus x less than or equal 10, x plus y less than or equal 6, x minus y less than or equal 2, whereas x and y is greater than or equal 0. So I am going to solve this maths or minimize z equal to minus x plus 2y and subject to constraint x plus 2y less than or equal 0, x plus or less than or equal 6, x minus or less than or equal 2, xy is greater than or equal 0. So now it's convert to all set of equations or inequalities we get. So that's the conditions. So these the conditions are equalities, and these the conditions are format x by a plus y by b equal 1, x by a plus y by b equal 1, x by 2 plus y by minus 2 equal to 1. That's why x equal to 0 and y equal 0. So now this is the collection of vertices and put the point in your graph. Firstly, x by a, that means minus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the point. And y b equal to 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the point. This is the pointer joining the lines. This is the point joining the lines. Well, x by 6 plus y by 6 equal to 1. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 2 points are joining the lines. This is the 2 points are joining the line. Well, this is the point. And third line, x by a plus y by minus b. That's why x equal to a 2 and y equal to minus 2. This 1 and 2. This is the 1 and 2 are joining with the lines. Well, okay. So is all conditions are less than, then obviously first point and second point and third point and fourth point is the vertices of all constraints are. So you have to practice and systematically weigh in this collection in your graph. So that's why This is the less than. This is the less than. So obviously inner side are block. Inner side are block in your maths of conditions. This is the block of inner side. That's why first point O, A, B, C and D. So this is the region. This is the region of first point O, A. A, that means A is 2, 0 and A, B 2 and 3 and well one, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So collection of A points and collection of B points. So B is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the 6. So now from 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are B. B is 4 and 2. And C is the now from 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are C into C 1 and 2 C into 2 comma 4 and D is the 0, 5 and D 0 comma 5 0 comma 10 by 3. Ten divided by 3 and B C B is 4 and 2 and C is 2 and 4 and D is 10 comma 3 0 comma 10 divided by 3. Well, and A is 2 comma 0. তাহলে O is 0, 0. O, A, B, C, D. We have to collection of the vertices O, A, B, C and D is the vertices of the subject to constraints and this is the region of vertices. So it's also region of vertices are O, A, B, C, D, and this is the collection of vertices of points. So now the minimizations of Z at the region. That's why minimization of values at Z. Therefore, Z equal to Z equal to 0 and A is 4, 2 is Z equal to minus 4 plus 2 into 2 into 2. That's why 2, 0. So minus 2 plus 0 equal to minus 2, and B is 4, 2 is Z equal to minus 4 plus 2 into 2 equal to 0, and C into C, that means 2, 4 is Z equal to 2, 4. That's why minus 2 plus 2 into 4, that means 6. That means 6. And D into 0, 10 divided by 3 is Z equal to 0 plus 2 into 10 divided by 3. That's why this is the 6.67. So minimization of Z. Minimization of Z is minus 2. Minimization of Z is equal to minus 2, and minimization of the values of Z is minus 2, and this the point is A. So you have to collect this minimization of Z equal to minus x plus 2y at the region O, A, B, C, D is the main force, and you have to subsequently this process, and you have to clear this the system. So it's also region of vertices are O, A, B, C, D, and minimizations of values are at Z. 0 is Z equal to 0, A is minus 2, and B is 0, and C is 6, and D is 6.07. So minimizations of values at Z is equal to Z equal to minus 2, and minimization of point A into 2, 0. Therefore x equal to 2 and y equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 2 and y equal to 0 is the minimization of point, and minimizations of Z equal to minimization of values of Z equal to minus 2 is the collection of substance of the above constants are. Well, thank you. It's so easiest and easy math. You have to practice in your any place or any moment, any situation. That's why you have to collect this good marks and good result. Well, lot of viewers are well things and well being.